Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this lovely folio vintage daisy for spring. And yes, this is going to be a free journal folio. You can get this folio by signing up below for the newsletter. If you are already signed up, you will get it in your email. Just check out for the free vintage daisy journal folio. Alright, so here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. You can see that it's just filled with lots of daisies and vintage letters and vintage numbers. Lots of tags and ephemeras and also pockets. And I've also included labels to decorate the kit. Let's start the assembly. Very simple. I'm just going to start by folding along the lines that needs to be folded. So this is the main panel. I'm just going to fold along this panel in the along the line. And this is going to be the front flap. That I will just add this to the main panel. And we have these top and bottom flaps over here. So I'm going to start off by gluing down this front flap to panel B. So we have the panel A with all the daisies, and whatever I showed you now, that is going to be the panel B, and I am gluing this front flap to panel B. Just making sure that I'm gluing it along the right side. And now that that's done, next I'm just going to start gluing the top and the bottom flaps. So the blue one that you see is going to be the bottom one, and the other one is going to be the top flap. So accordingly, I'm just going to glue it inside the panel B. Now that that's done, I'm just going to cover up all this attached areas using this cover page over here that I have. So the entire folio I just printed on 180 GSM, except the cover page. I just printed the cover page on normal printing paper because it's just going to be used as a I'm just going to stick it along the panel. And we have covered all the attached areas now. So we have assembled the entire folio now. Next we'll just move on to making adding the pockets. Included a good amount of pockets that you can just add them to the folio. So this will be the main pocket that will be inside the wherever I have added the cover page. I'm just going to include this larger pocket over here. And on top of it, I am just layering another smaller pocket. So the rest of the pockets, you can either layer these pockets together, or you can just do it like what I'm going to be doing over here. So I thought I will layer it, but I thought like maybe it would be better to just add them on like separately. Here, like so. So I'm just going to add them individually. This tall pocket over here that you can just add it like a belly band. And now we have completed adding all the pockets. Let's start decorating. Again, as I have mentioned, I have included labels so that you can just add them and decorate it. And you can also use like mesh cloth that I am using over here, or any other lace or materials, so you can decorate the folio. I have this lace that I wanted to add it along the edge of this folio along here, so I'm just going to use glue and add it over to the side of this page over here. I've included this daisy circle that I want to add it to the front of the folio for the closure, but I'm just going to trim it down to an inch. So I'm just using my circle punch and I'm trimming it to an inch and adding it as closure over here. I'm just going to add an eyelet and use the ribbon to close the entire folio. there we are done. I'm just adding all the tags and the ephemera that are included in this kit. Here is the final reveal of the vintage Daisy journal folio. You can get this folio free. If you are already signed up to the newsletter, you can just check your email for this kit, or if you are not signed up for the newsletter, you can check below in the description for the link so that you can sign up for the newsletter and you will get it to your email. I'm always sending out lots of discounts, and I'm sending like new product updates. You'll get like more inclusive sales and coupon codes if you are signed up to the newsletter. I hope you like this video. I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.